Panel furniture production, Mars is your #1 choice. Hello, nice to meet you. This is Benson. Welcome to visit our workshop again. Today I want to introduce to you a high-precision woodworking machine, SK2000 3-axis 4-screw CNC machining center. It's Mars' new design machine in 2020, mainly designed for customized panel furniture processing and one-time processing monitor drilling. This machine is Mars' new design in 2020. It can do cutting, groving, engraving, milling, etc. tool chain jobs, and it is suitable for acrylic, PVC, MDF materials. Easy operation, high standard, and fully processing for panel furniture production is Mars sport product in 2020. Okay, now let's see details of this machine. Mars high power auto change 9 kilowatt spindle, and this is the tracking mode, 16 pieces tracking mode, tool magazine, and it is the dust collector for cleaning the working table. And this machine uses Taiwan data servo motor and driver, Z-axis with brake. And this control system is advanced Taiwan Delta control system. Don't worry about language; it can be changed. It has fully English version. Easy operation, fully automatic production, and offline operation can be realized. The operator can be employed through simple training without skilled engineers. And it's easy to operate. You see, when we touching here, it can move. It's very easy to operate. And this is the Taiwan 3-axis Taiwan-made guide rail and ball screw. High precision, long service life. Anti-counting. The machine tool can work at high speed. Okay, you can see this one is positioner cylinder. It has 5 positioner cylinders to help the material looking the right position. And this is the tool center. It can help the tool setting when using the material. And now you see this is a vacuum table. It has the high vacuum absorption capacity. It can absorb different size materials. And it has the 6 air panel is big size. You can turn on or switch. And if the size is small size, you can turn on just 1 or 2 pieces. This is the loading system. This is the unloading system. It will help the material by this way. You see. This machine is also available to add the auto loading system. It will be adjusting by the customer requirement. Okay, this is a machine of SK2000. If you want to know more information of this machine, welcome to visit our website, www.marscnc.com. And if you like my video, you can subscribe. And hope you have a nice day. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye.